So this is how you can make money on TikTok and sell your products or services without having any followers. So one of the most important ways, well, there's actually a few really important ways, but I'm going to start with actually working with influencers. So the reason why you would want to work with influencers is because it means that you can access their audience. So just like with this example here, this company is working with this influencer, and what I really love about this video is that they've actually given the influencer a special code that they could use in the caption. So the way that you would go about this if you want to promote your products on TikTok and drive more sales is that you need to look on TikTok. Have a look at different creators who are in your industry. So let's say that you're selling hair care products. Have a look by using the hashtag hair care, hairstyling, and so forth. And then you'll come across different influencers that you can potentially work with. Now, the next thing you need to do is, once you're going through this process, actually write out a list of influencers. So you probably want to get to about 10 influencers. Not every influencer will agree to work with you. That's why you need a list. So get to about 10 influencers. So the next thing you'll need to do is actually reach out to them. Now, most influencers will have their email address clearly displayed on one of their social media platforms. So if you don't see it on TikTok, then go check out their Instagram profile, or even if they're on YouTube, because you have to include your email address on YouTube. So once you reach out to the influencer and they're keen to work with you, make sure that you're just really clear on what the payment terms are. For example, are you just giving them free product? Are you going to pay them? If so, when will that happen? And so forth. And once the influencer posts a video about your product or service, this is a way that you can start to drive sales to your business because you're getting access to their audience. This is a really powerful way to market your business on TikTok. You don't even need any followers. The next way that you can make money on TikTok and promote your business is to actually let people know that you exist. So TikTok is a really powerful search platform so that you can reach so many new people and attract new customers. And you want to be thinking about TikTok like the marketing funnel, right? So brand awareness at the top, you want to be using TikTok to really get your message out. And so one way that you can do this is by creating TikTok videos. Now, these are some of the most powerful videos that I've come across on TikTok. So you can do a before and after video. So just like with this example here, this is for a beauty brand. They're showing before and after what happens with using this product. It's really powerful, right? It's going to encourage people to buy from you. Now remember, people aren't going to buy from you straight away. They might see you advertising on Google, or maybe they see that you are running a reel on Instagram. People will come to TikTok to learn more about your brand. So if you can start creating content like these type of videos, it's going to really help you attract new customers. Now I'm going to give you a really big pro tip here. If you're a little bit stuck with what type of videos you should be creating for your brand, you can actually go to this page here. This is where you can see lots of different videos that are being created on TikTok. And what I love about this is a big tip. You can actually search via different industries. So let's say that you want to create videos all about travel. You run a travel business, you can go to travel, and there you go. There's a ton of inspiration for you, so you can get ideas with the type of videos that you should be creating. So this is one of the most powerful ways with how you can make money on TikTok, and you don't need any followers as well. You can run TikTok ads. So let's say that you've created those user-generated content videos for your business. What you can do is actually set up an ads campaign on TikTok. So if you don't know how to run an ads campaign, I'm just gonna give you a quick snapshot. So there's a lot of free resources out there on TikTok. So you can go to platforms like this, where TikTok makes it really easy for you to learn how to run and set up your own TikTok ads campaign. You can choose from lots of different objectives as well. So if you want to purely drive sales, you can set that as your objective, and your campaign will focus on driving sales for your business. Or maybe you just want to drive people to your website. Again, there's all these different objectives that you can choose from. Now, I'm not going to go into more detail here because I've created a whole video about how to run TikTok ads, which you can see here. But if you are stuck with running TikTok ads, there's different options out there. Like at our company, we run TikTok ads, so you can reach out to us, or you can go to other platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and actually post a job and find a contractor that can help run your TikTok ads. Now, I'm just going to make this really clear because it's really, really important. If you are running TikTok ads, make sure that you've got really good user-generated content videos. So videos like this, if you have good videos and you've got a good ads campaign, you're going to see amazing results and make a lot of sales. But if you don't have good videos, you're going to waste so much money just investing that money into ads and you're not going to see any results. So make sure that you really focus on the type of video content you want to create on TikTok, and that is going to help you make a lot of money on TikTok. If you want to get an idea on how your content should perform on TikTok, you can actually go over to our website. You can see all our case studies here. Let me know if you have any questions about this, but at least that will give you some insight into the power of TikTok and how you can make a lot of money on the platform when you have the right content. Let me know if you've got any questions, and I'll see you next time.